Sauvage Elixir. What can you say about this fragrance that already hasn't been said? We're gonna start with the year. 2021, this fragrance was dropped on the community. Dropped on the community, yes it was. Type of fragrance it is, it's going to be a spicy, woody, sweet, slightly synthetic. Slightly synthetic. Why not throw fresh in there? Why not throw fresh in there? When can you wear this? It is a very sweet fragrance and it's eternal. Like it lasts forever, right? So we'll get into that when we get to the seasons. But as far as practical usage for this, I would say this is more of an intimate fragrance. Although it's powerful enough to literally like be identifiable in the club. Like you can smell, it's so strong, it's like you can see the scent trail. Like that's how powerful it is. In fact, I don't think I've ever sprayed a fragrance as minimally as this and experienced the duration. Like when you spray this, the scent just like hovers. It hovers in one single space. And the interesting about Christian Dior fragrances is like the atomizer isn't anything crazy. That's all it is. It's like a little mist. But pound for pound, this has got to be the strongest fragrance I've ever. It's up there. Like it's definitely top two. Top two. So, but yeah, I would say very intimate setting. I mean, if you really want to stand out in an environment, and I mean really stand out in competing scents, distractions, all of that. Seasons, I would say definitely, personally, I think you should rock this in a cooler environment because it is very sweet. The dry down isn't something that changes a whole lot. The cinnamon does evolve a little bit. It does come forward, especially in the beginning. The cardamom, the cinnamon. It's a very distinct fragrance. Very distinct and unbelievably strong. Yeah, I would say definitely in a cooler environment. In a cooler environment. But it is a high quality fragrance, so you got some room in there. You got some room. I haven't experienced any hangovers, any headaches with this, but I wouldn't push it in the heat too much. Age groups, I would say people between the age of, I mean, this is like 20 to, it's still a high quality fragrance, so I would say you could rock this into your 40s. Yeah, for sure, 40s, 50s. Why not? I think the person wearing this will really be the dictator of like how it smells, if that makes sense. Presentation. It's a fragrance that the bottle is more appealing in person than it is in pictures. I don't know. It's something about it. Like there's something about it. It's still transparent. I like it. Magnetic cap, great atomizer. Not too bad. I like it. I like it. It's definitely a little different from its cousin, Eau Forte. A little different. I prefer this, but this is cool. Not bad. Not bad. Different enough to be something else. Let's get into some of the notes. You got nutmeg in the top notes, cardamom, cinnamon, and grapefruit. Very sweet things up there. The grapefruit, you don't really detect all that much, but yeah, very sweet. And in the middle, you have lavender. I don't detect a lot of lavender, but if it's in there, it's in there. And in the base, you have licorice, amber notes, patchouli, woodsy, and Haitian vetiver. And again, I think that the woodsy, vetiver, and the Haitian, yeah, the Haitian vetiver and the woodsy notes really make this something that is mature. And that's why I said you can wear this into the 40s and stuff like that. It just really depends on who's wearing it. Because it starts off very sweet, but again, it definitely calms down. It is robust. It's a robust quality fragrance. You should definitely get your nose on this, for sure. Definitely get your nose on it. Big BE, this thing, 10 out of 10. It projects strongly, purposefully, unapologetically. It's very, very strong. It's a fragrance that will definitely be with you through a date, through a job interview. If you do decide to wear it in a place like that, again, I recommend something very intimate. But yeah, it'll last all day. It'll last all day. Very, very high quality fragrance here as far as the duration and the smoothness of it. Very smooth. Sillage, 10 out of 10. It's definitely one of those, it's a beast. It really is. It's a beast. Like people can follow you based off just how you smell. It's like that. It's the real deal. So that's the review. My personal opinion, not my cup of tea, but at the same time, I can recognize the quality that this presents, for sure. So, have you tried Elixir? Where do you rank this in your pantheon of Sauvage fragrances? There are still a couple I need to try out. I would say this is a good 2. You know, Old Forte is still gonna be my #1 forever. But that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.